While some autoimmune diseases are hereditary or unpredictable, many can be mitigated through proactive measures. Conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, type 1 diabetes, celiac disease, and lupus may be avoided by eliminating risk factors and improving overall health. Key strategies include quitting smoking, avoiding environmental pollutants, and considering a gluten-free diet if you suspect gluten intolerance. Maintaining a healthy weight through nutritious eating and regular exercise can also lower your risk, as can increasing your vitamin D intake through sun exposure and diet. Managing stress is crucial, so engage in calming activities and seek professional help if needed. Finally, regular checkups with your doctor are important for early detection and management of autoimmune diseases.